I love video games, probably more than most people. I've played a lot in my life, and I definitely have a few favorites, but this one probably tops it. My favorite video game is Pokemon. So, what is it about Pokemon that makes it my favorite video game? Nostalgia. Nostalgia is absolutely one of the reasons why I've held on to Pokemon for so long. I grew up playing it with my dad. I grew up teaching my siblings how to play Pokemon. I had an expansive card collection that I actually just recently gave away to my little brother because he got really into Pokemon. There's just like very, very fond memories that I carry along with me every time I open up a brand new Pokemon game. Second reason why I love Pokemon so much is the immersive gameplay experience that Pokemon provides to the player. Every Pokemon game is entirely different with a whole new world, a whole new set of Pokemon. It's just a very immersive experience. And not only is it immersive in the games, but it's immersive in real life as well. There's shows, there's books, there's figures, there's cards to collect, and there's a whole community that is solely dedicated to talking about all of these aspects of the Pokemon universe. And one final reason why I love Pokemon so much, if it hasn't made itself apparently obvious yet, is for the adorable character design, specifically with the Pikachu.